I'm Reverend Alan Taylor, and I serve as senior minister here at Unity Temple. Our congregation is a member of the Unitarian Universalist faith tradition, and our first principle is to affirm and promote the inherent worth and dignity of every person. Our third principle is to affirm and promote equity, compassion, and justice in all human relations. These principles lead me to advocate with Arise Chicago during this time of unprecedented instability. It's scary. More than 40 million American workers have filed for unemployment. That's 1/4, 25% of all workers. And now that wealth inequality is worse than it was in the Great Depression, our state and nation need more policies focused on the most vulnerable. And right now, low-wage workers are facing serious dangers and pressures. Many of them are being told they have to work despite the risks. They're being forced to work immediately after illness and death. And the rates of infections are higher among low-wage workers, and especially among people of color. Workers are putting their lives in danger every day to support our economy. And yet, too many of our neighbors do this without living wages, health care, and proper safety protections. Workers in essential services are some of the lowest paid workers in the United States, and they deserve living wages and better treatment at work. I urge you to join the efforts of Arise Chicago to keep all workers safe, to expand paid leave, and to give workers the respect they deserve. Let me elaborate. To keep all workers safe, Arise Chicago has created a back-to-work guide to help workers know how to safely return to work, what safety precautions must be taken to create a safe workplace, and what to do if their employer does not follow those safety guidelines. To expand paid leave, Arise Chicago is working in the city of Chicago to create a paid emergency leave ordinance so workers will be able to access 2 weeks of paid leave if they contract COVID-19 or any other major disease in the future. And lastly, to give workers the respect they deserve. Arise Chicago brings together people of faith in many religious traditions to collectively provide a faithful response to uplift the needs of workers and to support workers struggling for a better life. And so I ask you to join Arise Chicago in promoting the worth and dignity of all people and promoting equity, compassion, and justice in all human relations, and specifically bringing justice to the workplace. May your contributions of time, talent, and money bring you joy and meaning in your life.